Hello everyone, welcome to Horror Monster Collectibles, where today we are going to be taking a look at a piece that I've had for a long time, but I never did a review on it for whatever reason. But anyway, it's a signed puzzle box, signed by all four of the original Cenobites, and you know how hard it is to get them all together signing something. But anyway, it was signed by all four, and then it included a picture of Pinhead in the movie, like before he was turned into Pinhead. But let's spin around and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so here's a closer look at what all you get with the set. Now first off, it comes with the cert. And again, with the cert, what they do is they include pictures of the actual signing. And then they also include a hologram matching cert on here. So this is the main thing to focus on, so we'll just go ahead and take a look at this, because this is the coolest part of everything that you get, or that I got back in the day. I don't know if these are still available or not. I think you can still get signed puzzle boxes, but I'm not sure by all four. But let's go ahead and take a look. Now, puzzle box itself isn't anything special. It's lightweight, and I think these are basically just decals that are on here. So I wish it had been like a good puzzle, like a well-made puzzle box that they had signed, but this is just like a decal over like a mahogany wood. But anyway, let's start the main one. So that's Doug, Mr. Pinhead himself. And then we will go over to good old Simon, Mr. Butterball. And then, of course, we know Mr. Nicholas Vince as the Chatterer. And then Barbie Wilde as the Female Cenobite. And she was in Hellraiser 2. I think in Hellraiser 1, it was Grace Kirby. But I'm thrilled to have the piece. Now, along with everything, they also, if I can get this sitting in there, they also included the picture of Pinhead before he became Pinhead, back when he was in the war, which I thought was pretty cool. And I just found like a cheap frame. I think it was like I don't even remember where it was, Michael's or something like that. Like, I found a cool frame that I thought fit everything well together. I was pretty happy with the way everything came out. So yeah, as a Hellraiser fan, I definitely recommend getting something like this. They're not going to be around forever. Getting all four of their signatures is just incredibly awesome as a lifelong fan of the series. And it got a little bit absurd, like in the later Hellraisers. Actually, it got unwatchable for me personally. I kind of like the first three, and that's about it. Now, if only somebody would make a puzzle box that actually transforms into like lament configuration or whatever, like that would be freaking awesome. I would throw whatever money I had at whoever could do something like that. But I do need to get a better puzzle box than what this guy is. But still, this one's signed, so I'm thrilled to have that. So as always, feel free to like and subscribe and click the bell for notifications for new videos. And also feel free to leave any questions or comments that you might have on the piece, and I'll be happy to answer them. And until next time, I will see you guys later.